Good morning, everyone. In this video, we will see the basics for pipe routing, equipment modeling, and drafting. So let's we start. So once when you want to start the E3D, you can go this icon and just double click. So like this, one menu will come. So what you have to wait for 1 or 2 minutes. So like that one will come. So here the project is APS. Here you can enter a system. In password you can enter triple X and then triple X. Okay, 6 times 6. So here you can see model, draw, iso, draft, spool. So for 3D modeling we will go for model. For drafting part we will go for draw. For isometric extraction we will go for iso draft. Okay, so here I want to make pipe routing, so I will go model. So like that workspace will open. So this is a 3D model for the 3D model. Here we can see this one. Generally we can see this the drawing space we called it as workspace, and this is called as campus. Okay, this is we called as campus. It will show north, south, east, west, and ISO. Okay, so here you can see three lines: green, blue, and red. It will shows the three axes. Okay, X, Y, and Z axis. So here this is the toolbar. Okay, here this is called as save work. So once we finish the our task, once we finish the work, we need to save our work. Then this is called as get work. Get work means, so in one project many designers will work. So well, when we are working simultaneously, so if you want to see his work, other designer work, so what you will do, you have to give get work and save work. Then the model will be updated, okay, in your workspace. This is called as undo, this is called as redo. Here this is the main part. Here if you, this is the general one. So this is the general one, and this is piping. If you want to work in equipment, this is the disciplines. Okay, general equipment, piping, HVAC, cable system, cable tray, structure, supports, everything will be in this menu bar. So if you want to work for piping, if you want to work for equipment, you have to select here first. So the equipment palette will add here in the toolbar. Okay, so this is called as project. In this project also save work, get work is there, print is there, so help is there, options is there, modules is there. So here this module you can change monitor, iso, draft, draw, spool. Okay, monitor means the current model, that is model. This is iso, draft means isometric extraction part. So draw and spool. Here in options you can change coordinate configurations. Here you can change coordination. For coordinates, if you want to make, here you can go here in already it is in east, north, south. Okay, if you want to make XY, that means you can just click here, you can see. Okay, it will change XYZ like that. And also in modules options, you can go explorer settings. If you want auto collapse tree, expanded to see display folders, whatever you want, you can just select here. Okay, and click OK and apply. Like that you can make. And then like that you can make these properties. Here you can make units like that. So what unit you want, you just can select here. Like that you can use this one. Also view, animation and color. So animate zoom changes, time seconds you can change it here, and for color you can change here. Okay, selection snaps. So selection snaps, pick box size, grip size you can change it here. Grip size, everything you can change. Snap settings, snap marker size, apertures, box size, timeout activation, everything you can change here. So this is all the settings. So you can change it here in settings. Then discipline. This is also piping, structural and integrated disciplines is there. So we can come here in this toolbox. This is the home one. Home, it will contains copy paste selection, and the create, copy offset, copy rotation, copy mirror. If you want to create some object, some equipment primitives, if you want to create copy, means you can just create copy offset, and copy rotation, copy mirror you can do here. And this is the editor, and this is the move one. You can move as per this one: move, position, offset, advanced. And this is also rotate, advanced, oriented you can make. And this is stretch, mirror, painter, everything you can change here. So this is the measure, delete, mark. So class check, see, auto class, and checker, data consistency, integrator, everything you can change it in home. For view, so if you want to view current view, graphics, for graphics you can change the color here. Auto color components, dynamic auto color you can change. The representation also you can change the settings. While we are making the models, I will show you. Okay, so this is what we will do now. In this one we can see. So here you can see auto color, monochrome, and for view option, copy view, and a new everything, a new grid plane. Look, you can see, you want to look isometric, you want to make orthographic plan, everything you can do. Also limits you can see. This is the limits. Also you can make zoom, save, restore, copy image, center, like that you can make. Also walk-in mode, fly mode, draw list, everything you can see in tool. In view, in tool command you can make command here, command box. Also model explorer you can open here. System explorer you can open here. Okay, so like that you can make in tool. So like that we can make all things here in manage, design aids, general, equipment, admin, everything. So what I will do now, so now initially we can start with the equipment modeling. I will make one tank, and I will make one column with nozzles. Okay, I will show you how to model in PDMS background method, also in E3D palette method. So here I will go equipment. Okay, here I will go to equipment. uh, so when you start this work, what you will do, you have to make. So you have to create site first. Okay, so you have to create first site, then you have to create project, then you have to create equipment, equip equipments. In equipment you have to create sub equipment. Okay, then equipment means equipment zone equipment you have to create. Okay, in zone equipment you have to create in zone equipments you have to create equipment 1 2 3 like that. Okay, equipment, for example I will show you equipment 1. In equipment 1 you have to create sub equipment, that is n- body nozzles. Okay, so like that you have to create in for equipment one. The body and nozzles are sub equipment. This is the equipment. Equipment one means maybe it is vessel, tank, or heat exchanger or reboilers, like that. Okay, so for every equipment you have to create body zone, body sub equipment, and nozzle sub equipment. Okay, then you have to create zone piping. Piping all should become in zone piping only. Then you have to create zone structure. All structure will come in this structure only. Okay, so this is the hierarchy. Before you have to create site, project, zone, equipment, zone piping, zone structure. In zone equipment you have to create any equipment. For example, equipment one maybe tank or vessel, like that. In that equipment one you have to create sub equipments, that is body, nozzles, like that. Okay, this is the basic one you have to understand. So once you understand this one, we will move to the model. So we will go to the model. For example, I will show you. I will just click here. I will go to general. I want to create site. Okay. So I want to create site means I will go to site. Here I can write training, training. Okay. So the site is training. Okay. The site name is training. So inside this one, I want to create three zone. That is equipment zone, piping zone, structure zone. So I will click this site and I will go to zone, create zone. Here I am writing equipments. Okay, just I will write training. So you should not give any space. Space will not accept E3D software. You have to give any symbols like that. I give here. You see here we created zone equipment. In zone equipment we have to create sub equipment. Okay, sorry. In zone equipment we have to create equipments. For example, nozzles. Sorry, vessels, reboilers, tanks, pumps, everything it will come in this one. Okay, then I will create pipe zone piping. So again I will go to zone. Here I am writing piping, piping training. Okay, yes, I click OK. Again I want to create structure. I just click zone. All right, structure, training. Just click OK. Okay, now you see we have created site, we have created zone, we have created piping, we have created structure. So once it is done, you have to make save. Control plus yes you have to give. Just save. Yes. Okay, now we can create here the site, zone, everything in command method also. For command method you have to go tools, just click commands, just write new site, just enter. Okay, so site 2 is created. So if you want to make a rename means just click here, rename here, training 2. This I will just, for example, I will write here, like that you can make. Site is created. So if you want to make zone means new zone. See, zone is created. So you can make here also queue name. Okay, so go to rename. Here you can make equipments training. Okay, like that you can create site and zone in command method also. Okay, so I show you for example, just for the information. So both method we can create. So now here I want to create one tank. Okay, so what I will do, I will go to zone equipment. I just click here and go to equipment. Here I can make equipment. Okay, I just click equipment. For example, I am making tank 1. Okay, Here I'll go and change this. Okay. So if you want to place this tank in 000, this is the 000 point. Okay, coordination 000. If you want to place this one in any point, for example, I will write 1000, then it will be the 0. Okay. For example, I'm showing if you have the coordinate, so means you can put your coordinates here. Okay. Then I click OK. Here, then I want to create sub equipment, right? So I will go equipment, then I will go sub equipment. Sub equipment is body. Okay. So if you have this one is not a value, you can give. If you don't have, just click OK. Okay. Then again I will go to sub equipment. I create nozzles. Okay. So now we can create equipment tank under the sub equipment body and nozzles. So now for tank I will just click. So you should be keen in this hierarchy. Okay, when you are creating the tank means you have to keep the hierarchy here. When you are creating the body primitives means you have to click this one. Okay, body. When you are creating the nozzles you have to click nozzles. Okay, like that you can make. So I'm creating now body, so I will click this one body. So I will show you in PDMS background how to create the primitives. So for that we need to write this command show gen primitives. Just enter. See, this will open. This is the PDMS background. Okay, when you are using PDMS software, the primitives will show like this. Okay, so what I will do, I will just click for this is it contains box, cylinder, cone, snout, pyramid, circular, torus, everything it is there. Whatever you want you can just make, you can just go there. Now I want to make cylinder, so cylinder is there, be in this hierarchy body. If you have doubt means you can check the parameters, you can see the diameter and the height. What I will do, I will make height 5000 and diameter will be 10,000. Okay, just I will create here. You see, we are making we are making thousand zero when we are creating the equipment. Okay, so it will place there only. Okay, now you can see it is here, it is like that, it is center. Okay, because I give 0, up value is 0, so it will come in center because the origin is in center. If you want to change the origin means here datum you can go, you put origin 1. Okay, if you want to put origin 2, it will come downside. Okay, so then what you will do, go here, graphics, click cursor, then click this floor. There is, click this for floor for 1 or 2 seconds, then data lines will come. This is the data lines is p lines. So you want to keep the cylinder in the top of the floor, so you have to just select the top of the top dot. Okay, just click here, so it will come upside. Okay, so you have to change the data point here, then you have to change graphics cursor and just click here. Okay, like that you can change. Okay, here you see we can make west, south, and everything here. So if you want to rotate, no need to rotate here. So also this align with p point, like that also you can align. Just click here, just click this third dot. Okay, just pick this point, click this third dot, so it will come upside. Then go next. Okay, like that you can make. So like that you can create a tank. So then what you have to do, you want to make the dish for the tank, right? So what we will do, we will go to dish, we will go to dish here, just select see the parameters, height, diameter, radius. Okay, so diameter I give 5000 for the tank. Same I will give. Radius I am giving 500, and height will be 125. Okay, radius divided by 4 is height. Okay, just click. So it is clicking there, it is in the bottom, so just click here like that. Oh sorry, we have give 10,000. Okay, so change 10,000 as dia. Just click here like that. If you want to change the radius means you can change here. If you want 800 means you can give 800. Here you can give 800 divided by 4, how much? 200. So like that you can change, then click next. Okay, now the tank is created in tank body hierarchy. Okay, so we need basement also, so we can give basement also. Here I can go cylinder. Height will be 500, dia will be 1800, 10,800. Just create. Okay, then just click this one, click this one, click this point, just click this center point. It will come here. Okay, like that it will come. Then click next. So like that you can create. So if you want to, then you want to create the nozzles. Okay, like that you can create the tanks. If you want to create the nozzles means what you will do, just go to sub nozzles, click sub nozzles. Here create nozzles, you can go here create nozzles. So nozzle name will be, I will give tank N1. Here specification is there, you can change the specification. I keep fancy nozzles. Centric type will be butt-weld pipe, and I give 100. Height will be 200. Temperature will be, I'm not giving temperature, pressure, anything. So I just click create. So I want this nozzle in the top of the tank center. So I just click here. Just click like this. Okay. So I want to rotate this nozzle. It is facing in the west direction. So what I do, I just go here. I just put 90 degree. Put 90 degree and Z. Okay. Then up I will do 50, just making upside. Okay. And just I click next. So the nozzle is created. Okay. Then if I want to create the nozzle in north direction, here what I will do, so I just go here, this nozzle, create nozzle. I give tank N2, same din, this one same, and the size will be, bore will be 150, height will be 200. Just create. I just keep like this. See, the nozzle is created. So I want to rotate means what I will do, I put 90 here, and then I put like that. In north direction I put 100, like that you can make. If you want to down this one, it is in the center of the tank. If you want to down this nozzle means you can make it here. Okay, also just give next. Also you can down this nozzle by command method, also by D 500. So finite amount it will down. Okay, like that also you can do. Then I want to make this nozzle in four north, south, west, all in all direction. Before I'm making this nozzle in south direction. Okay, so what I will do, I keep in plan view, select this nozzle, go to home. Here you can see create, copy, offset, rotation, mirror. Go to copy mirror. Okay, cursor element, just click this element, and the direction will be south. Okay, create return created a copy smith, give yes. Now you see in here also it is created. Okay, now here also it is created, give cancel. North and south both area it is created, copy mirror. Okay, like that you can make. So if I want to rotate, this means copy rotate, I just go copy rotate, then I will go copies one, angle will be 45. Okay, cursor element, I just click this one, direction will be, I give east, apply. You see here 45 degree it is coming here. Okay, so give yes. So like that you can make copy rotation. Okay, so it will keep the original and it will also paste in that angle. Okay, for example if you want to copy this one in 45 degree, just go copy rotation. Then if you want to copy for 90 degree, just click here, just apply. Yes, see it is coming here. It is, this is in 45, this is in 90. Okay, like that you can make copy and the rotation. Okay, if you want to make this one upside. Okay, so you can make copy paste and also you can make copy offset. What I will do, so I will make 3 copies for each 300, apply. It will come like that. Okay, so what I will do, in x-axis will make 2, this one will be 1000, apply. I will make apply. Okay, so like that you can make copy offset. Now we see copy paste, copy offset, and a copy mirror. Okay, like that you can make. So this is the fundamental. If you want to, so the tank is created with the primitives and the nozzles. Okay, now if you want to move this one tank, so we can move. So we can move with the coordination. If we have this coordination, for example I have 10,000 east, 10,000 north, and the elevation is same, so I can make it here like that. Okay, so I can move by command method also. If you have the exact measurement, so I can move by command method also. For example I will show you by 1000. So see it is moved, so I want to make by north 1000, it will move like that. Okay, so like that also you can move. So for every action after you have to save work. So this is the primitives method. So if you want to make the vessels in standard method also you can make. So what you will do, just we can go to zone, we will go to equipment. Here you can go to standard method, just go standard. Here just click specification. Here you can see vessel, heat exchanger, standard pump, air coolers, everything you will see. For example, I want vessels horizontal, means storage vessel with descendants, means I can just click here, then I will go to properties. You can change the dimension here. If it is okay, means just click OK and then apply and just click here, graphics cursor. If you want here, means you can just click here. Okay, like that you can apply. It will it will take the center point, so you can just move it. Okay, just give apply, click cancel. Okay, so like that you can make. So if you want to move upside, means you can make uh, by u 1000. So like that you can move. So like that you can move. Then so for example, if you are I see here I make this equipment in other zone. Okay, other equipment. So I want to move this equipment in this site training. What I will do, just click this one, right, qref, enter, then go to your zone, click here, just double click here and remove this reference and just click include. Like that you can make. So it is moved here, you see. So if you want to model the equipment pumps in standard method, you can do, just click here, standard method, specification, go to standard pumps. I will go horizontal pump, sorry, centrifugal, horizontal inlet, like that I will go to properties. It will contain everything, the dimensions. So if you want to change, means you can change here. If it is okay, means just click OK and then apply. It will ask the location, just click here. Okay, so then cancel. Like that you can make. Okay, like that you can model. Okay, so if you want to rotate this pump, how you will rotate, just go to home, rotate. Here you can rotate, go to advanced one. So here if you want to rotate to 180, means just click 180 and apply. Okay, see, it is rotated. Like that method you can rotate. Okay, so if you want to rotate, this is the oriented method. So it will show the xyz axis. So the x-axis is there, y is there, it is z is upside, so x is west. Okay, so I want x in east. It will rotate, see, it will rotate like that. So I want x in north. What I will do, I will just click on north, apply. It will rotate like that. Okay, I want y, I want x, I want y in south, means just give south, apply. Okay, like that you can rotate. Okay, this is the rotate method you can make. Just save your work. Okay, so this is the primitives method you can see. So in the next video we will see the small commands what we are using for the primitives method. Okay, okay, thank you.